If you've driven on a highway recently, you've probably noticed something. Massive buildings. Long, windowless boxes stretching across acres of land. New ones going up almost everywhere, near highways, outside cities, even in areas that used to be farmland. So what are all these buildings? And why are warehouses suddenly taking over America? Warehouses aren't new, but the number being built right now is unprecedented. Over the past few years, the U.S. has added billions of square feet of warehouse space, and developers are still racing to build more. But this isn't random construction. It's being driven by a massive shift in how we buy things. The biggest reason for the warehouse boom is simple: online shopping. Every time you order something online, it has to come from somewhere, and that somewhere is usually a warehouse. Companies like Amazon have built huge logistics networks designed to deliver products as quickly as possible, sometimes within 1 or 2 days. To make that happen, they need warehouses located close to major population centers, which is why you're seeing them pop up everywhere. But it's not just about having warehouses, it's about where they're located. The closer a warehouse is to customers, the faster deliveries can be. That's why companies are building warehouses near highways, cities, and transportation hubs. This has created a logistics arms race, where companies compete to deliver products faster and faster, and warehouses are the key to winning that race. Behind the scenes, warehouses are also a major real estate investment. Large companies and investment firms build these facilities and then lease them to businesses. This creates long-term, stable income from tenants. Because once a company moves into a warehouse, it's expensive and difficult to relocate, which makes warehouse tenants more likely to stay for years. For investors, that makes warehouses an extremely attractive asset. So why does it feel like warehouses suddenly appeared all at once? Because several trends collided at the same time. Online shopping exploded. Companies needed faster delivery, and investors poured money into industrial real estate. Together, these forces created a surge in warehouse construction across the country, turning warehouses into one of the fastest-growing types of buildings in America. But the warehouse boom hasn't come without concerns. Some communities worry about increased truck traffic, noise, and environmental impact. Large warehouses can also replace farmland or open land. In some areas, residents have pushed back against new developments, raising questions about how much warehouse growth is too much. Another question is whether the U.S. is building too many warehouses. If demand slows down, some areas could end up with more space than companies need. But for now, demand remains strong. Because as long as people keep shopping online, companies will keep needing places to store and ship products. So the next time you pass one of those massive buildings along the highway, it's not just a warehouse. It's part of a much larger system. A network designed to move products across the country faster than ever before. And as online shopping continues to grow, these warehouses might just keep multiplying. Thanks for watching Hidden Industries. Subscribe to see the businesses quietly reshaping the American economy.